Came in with the style, with the flavor, with the $1 million attitude, smile for the haters, yeah. I've been making rounds, doing favors, I'm the man in the city, I've been feeling like the mayor, yeah.
Wait right there. Wait. Hey, come here. We gotta test out your GoPro mount. Have a seat. Oh, you farted. Didn't you? You wait. You wait, there's other dogs coming. Wait. I know, you'll get to play in a minute. You hush. When you get thumbs, you can drive it. Wait. Yeah, I have a feeling these aren't going to stay very tight. Like the wait. You wait. Leave it. Leave it. Hey. Sir. You're a nut. But since we know what the reviews say, we test out how it works and we can modify it ourselves. You, down right there. Wait. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. You tired? Good catch. Drop it. Watch out. I know. Move. Down. Wait. It's falling off to the side. Good catch. Drop it. Hey, watch out. Let's tighten this up. Hey, sir, wait. Hey, down. Wait right there. Don't move. Yeah, so we could either tighten this up and tape it, or I could put this on a different mount. But until then, water break for you, sir. Hey, sir, over here. Get over here. Drink some water. Oh, you hush. Hey. Bro. Move. Down. Wait, don't move. You wait right there. That's not waiting. Wait. Bro, that's cheating. Good catch. That's a good one to end on. What you think? Yep. We got enough info on that fetch dog harness. It needs some work, don't it? For a thick boy. Alright, that's enough. Time to go. I know, but that means it's time to go. Hey, sir, watch out. Move, move, move. Time to go. I know, you're a nut. You want some more water? Yes, you do, don't you? Drink the water, don't eat the bottle, sir. Chompy. All right, time to go home. That's enough exercise for a piggy today. Yep, that's enough exercise for the piggy. Leave it. That's enough. Time to go. Leave it. Let's go. Watch out. Sir, stop. Let's go. You gotta pee? Go ahead, pee. I know. Those straps don't stay very tight, do they? That's what the review said, huh? Oh, is it time?